Hello guys, today we are going to set up the steamer trunk. And if you have been following the Timeless Treasure Room Box series, you will see that 90% of the things inside the trunk are from the previous tutorial. In this video, I will also show you how I make an easy antique book. Check out the description box below for the materials. So here are the pieces that I will be putting in the trunk. Again, most of them are in the previous tutorial, so don't forget to check it out. I am going to start by adding a platform inside the trunk. The purpose of this is just to fill the trunk easily, and I am using a styrofoam for this. Cover the styrofoam with the desired fabric. You can also use a nice wrapping paper with small prints as an alternative for the fabric. Glue the styrofoam in place. Before I continue setting up the trunk, I just want to show you how I made this lovely book. This might not be interesting because there's a ton of miniature books tutorial out there. But if you haven't seen anything like this before, then stick a bit for this short tutorial. So I am using an embossing powder and embossing pad to create that nice gold effect on the book. Press the printed part of the book to the embossing pad and dip it to the embossing powder. Then shake the excess off. I want the picture to show, so I will just push the excess powder to the side using the ball stylus, or you can also use a cocktail stick. Then use a heat gun to melt the embossing powder. Be careful not to burn yourself with the heat gun. To fill the pages, I simply used a styrofoam. Add lines to resemble the pages using an X-Acto knife. Then, paint the sides with gold acrylic paint. And that's it! Easy peasy! Continuing to the main project, I am going to add another small styrofoam to fill the trunk. And from here, you can arrange your pieces the way you like it. And here's our lovely trunk full of cute vintage contents. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for another timeless treasure room box project. Bye bye and see you next time.